Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage market strategies with Pinterest, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by understanding your target audience. Research their interests and behaviors on Pinterest. Create a Pinterest business account if you haven't already. Set up your profile with a professional photo and an engaging bio. Utilize keywords in your bio to improve search visibility. Design eye-catching boards that reflect your brand identity. Organize your boards in a logical manner for ease of navigation. Add a mix of your content and relevant third-party content to your boards.
Pin high-quality images that are vertical and visually appealing.
Craft compelling descriptions for each pin using relevant keywords. Incorporate calls to action to encourage user engagement.
Experiment with different types of content such as infographics, videos, and blog posts. Use Pinterest Analytics to monitor your pin's performance. Identify which pins drive the most traffic and engagement.
Adjust your strategy based on analytics insights. Consider utilizing Pinterest ads for broader reach.
Create targeted campaigns for specific audience segments.
Maintain a consistent posting schedule for maximum visibility.
Engage with followers by responding to comments and questions.
Join group boards in your niche to expand your reach.
Collaborate with other pinners or brands to create shared content. Stay updated with Pinterest trends to keep your content relevant. Optimize your pins for searches by using rich pins and proper tagging.
Leverage seasonal trends to create timely content. Continuously refine your strategies based on performance data and trends. Focus on building a community rather than just promoting products.
Remember that patience is key, results may take time to materialize. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.